Greetings, FPV Gibby here. This video is for those who own a RadioMaster Pocket and are wanting to change out their sticks. It's very possible. Short story, I started with this controller. It's a very great, amazing controller for beginners and intermediate. It's very durable and very compactable. I love it. I'm still using this, by the way. The first 7 months I was flying the stock sticks. They were all right, but they were too small and I needed something more comfortable and more bigger. I looked all over YouTube and I couldn't find this exact video that I'm making for you guys. Eventually I stumbled upon a Reddit link and it said to buy M3 threaded rods and just get your own third-party sticks, which I have here from 533, and then install them into the M3, and there you have yourself your own customizable sticks of your choice. I hope this video helps. Peace.